A person on an average sees more than 1,000 Facebook ads in a few days' time. So how do you make sure that the user goes through your product over everyone else's? Hello friends, my name is Seema Gupta and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you psychological tricks and hacks that expert marketers use. If you like my videos, do hit the like button. That will motivate me to keep on making these videos. Now, one of the most common tricks that expert marketers use is to create a sense of urgency, also called as FOMO, fear of missing out. It's a known fact that people find things more desirable if they are in limited quantity. So if you were to look at any e-commerce website, it would always have phrases like buy now, limited stock, because it triggers an impulsive nature of the buyer. So make sure you use this FOMO and create a scarcity feeling by offering a limited period discount or providing an incentive for purchasing in a limited number of time frame. Now marketers know for a fact that there is always a better way of saying things. So for example, if you have a product that was initially 100 rupees and now you want to sell it for 50 rupees. So instead of saying that you are offering a discount of 50 rupees, you can say you are offering a discount of 50% on your product. Now the main goal is to position yourself in a way such that customers are more open to your ideas and to your pitches. How many times have you gone for a medium pizza or a large pizza over the smaller pizza simply because it's just a few rupees more? This is a classical marketing strategy called as decoy effect. It means offering the user another option to make an expensive deal look like a good deal. It means that if you are offering, let's say, 3 different pricing patterns, then create a larger price difference between the first 2 price patterns and keep a small difference for the last 2 products. This way, people are more likely to go for the last one, which is the desired pricing pattern, which is most profitable for your business. The middle one only exists to boost the sales of the large one. Now, how many times has it happened that we end up going to a restaurant just because we were able to recall its ads? It is often called as the verbatim effect, which states that people are more likely to remember a few catchy words of your pitch rather than the entire pitch. So create some interesting jingles of your product to increase the memorability aspect of it. So for example, Vedantu's advertisement of "Samajh aayega to maza aayega, maza aayega to samajh aayega" is an excellent example of creating such jingles. Now another point is always remember the golden rule of 3. In fact, 3 is known as the most persuasive number in a communication because it is easy to remember and recognize. So rather than offering 2 price patterns, offer 3. Mention 3 good qualities of your product. Break down the process of using or ordering the product into 3 steps, etc. Have you ever wondered why any car advertisement always mentions things like less maintenance or low cost EMI instead of high performance? It is because words like low, worst are more appealing to customers than words like high, best, even though they mean the same thing. So friends, use negative superlatives in your ads or your communication to attract more attention to your product. So this brings me to the end of this video. If you like the video, do like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon. Until then, bye.